inequalities, what we're saying here is not equal. So in math, if I say which number is bigger, 4 or 5, we would say 5. But we don't circle it to indicate that. We do something a little different. We're going to use a symbol to show that 5 is bigger than 4. And that symbol is this. You'll notice that it looks like a sideways V. And that's exactly what I would say. It's a sideways V. Now, the sideways V, let's talk about that. Let me erase this. What's on this? Remember, that was a 5, right? Okay. What it's saying is that whatever side it opens on, whatever side, this one opened to the right side. Do you remember what number was there? It was a 5. Whatever it opens to, it's saying that that number that it's opening towards is bigger than the number that was behind it. Now, this can, if I reverse these two numbers, let's say I put a 5 on the left and I put a 4 on the right, and I ask you the same question, which one's bigger? Say 5. Well, the symbol, the sideways V, though, it cannot open to the right this time. It has to open the other direction because the 5 is on the left. And so it has to open up that way. So that's not too confusing to students. What could be a little more confusing is what you say. Because you have to be able to read this, and it can be a little confusing. So let me get ready first and go ahead and erase all this. And then I'm going to go back here and put this 5 here. So when we read, okay, we read just like we do English, okay? And you read from the left side to the right side, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to read this to you. And then I'm going to read this to you. And I'm going to say two different things. Watch. 4 is less than 5. That makes sense, right? Yeah. Now watch what I say when I read the other time. 5 is greater than 4. Does that make sense? Yeah. Now the thing is that it's weird because of what the number you're starting with. Here I'm starting with a 4, and it's smaller than what's on the other side. So you have to say something here. 4 is less than 5. The other one, the 5 is first, but it's bigger. So you're going to have to say 5 is bigger than 4 or greater than 4. That's why you say two different things. Though both things, what you say, are the same. Listen to it again. 4 is less than 5. Do you agree? 5 is greater than 4. Yeah. Though I used a different word, isn't the meaning the same? Yeah, it's the same. So let's give it a shot. You have two things. You have 1/5. You have 2/3. We're going to figure out which one's bigger. Hey, 1/5. What decimal is that? Did you say 0.2 or 20%? Yeah. What about 2/3? Hey, isn't that 0.6 repeating? Or 66 or 66 and 6 repeating? Yes. Which one's bigger? 66%. Okay, here we go. Is that right? Yeah, it's the right symbol. Now, you want to try to say it? Let's try. 1/5 is less than, yeah, less than 2/3. Good job. Let's try another. So that one, 7/8. You know the decimal for that? Did you say 0.875? Yeah. What percentage? 87.5%. Mm-hmm. What's on the right side? 0.5? Yeah. 50%. Mm-hmm. All right. Which one's bigger? 7/8. Okay. You ready? Let's say it. 7/8 is greater than 1/2. Good job. Give some more. Try it with a decimal. Look at these. These are just decimals. Okay, let's look at this first step. Which one's bigger, 0.05 or 0.0505? Did you say 0.0505 is greater? I agree. Remember, this is 5 pennies, but this is 5 pennies and a little bit extra. It's more. So let's say this thing. 0.05 is less than 0.0505. Good job.